Hello and welcome to the first video newsletter of Capstone Fund 5 2021. This is for the cash collections period of December 2020. So for the collections period of December, we returned a 9.9% to all of you fund partners. We also grew the fund up to about 6.1 million. So that's really good. We got over that 6 million mark. Now we're heading up to 7 million. So thank you to everybody that put more money in and referred their friends. Traditionally, December is a little bit of a slow month for Fund 5 because it's a short working month. However, we did have a few loans pay off. We did fund a few new loans, a couple $100,000 in and out. So what's Fund 5 activity going to look like over the next few months? Well, we expect it to pick up a little bit. Now that the administration change is done and there's a few other national items kind of behind us, moving forward, we expect to deploy some of that cash we've had on the shelf for the last 60 or 90 days into the marketplace so it can start accruing interest also. That means after a few more months here, more of our capital is going to be working and our fund returns might creep up a little bit, back up over 10%. So look forward to that over the next few months. So for national news, let's look at both interest rates and home sale transactions. First, Freddie Mac actually reported that the average 30-year fixed mortgage rate crept up just a slight amount. It actually went up to 2.79%. So still well below 3% interest rates on 30-year fixed mortgages. Now over the next 1 to 2 years, they'll get back to 3 and in the low 3s is what Freddie Mac is predicting. So look for some relatively stable 30-year fixed mortgage rates over the next 24 months. Now in home sales, just regular transactions, the amount of homes being sold from October to November was reported down about 2.5%, strictly for inventory reasons. Home sale prices up. So month over month from last year at this time to now, home sales are up about 8.5% nationally. So good appreciation of home sales. A slowdown in the number of transactions only due to inventory, but home values are rising and holding really well. That's about all for this month's edition of our video newsletter. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for clicking on the email and watching. Remember, we're still raising money for Fund 5 to get up to 10 million. So if you know anybody that might be interested in some good proven yield and good proven results, please forward the email to them. Have them call the office. I'd love to talk to them. Remember, the stock market and S&P 500 is trading at about 34 times PE. So it's really expensive. Capstone Fund 5 might be a really good alternative for some people you know who don't know about us yet in terms of yield versus buying into the stock market at 34 times earnings. Thank you so much and appreciate your time. We'll talk to you next month.